You can make your own tuna salad. You don't need your mama to make your tuna salad. I know a lot of people have their mamas make it, their grandma make their tuna salad. It's really easy, y'all. Again, all you need is your tuna, your Miracle Whip, onions. The onions are optional. If you don't like onions, do not put onions in it. But your tuna, your onions, mayo, and sweet relish, and a dash of sugar. That's all you need, and you got you some good tuna salad. Hi, you all. Welcome back to CHELL'S Kitchen. Back at you with another great video. Today we will be making tuna salad. I know tuna salad is a really basic meal, but I think that it's a meal that everybody should know how to make, and you'll be surprised how many people don't know how to make tuna salad. Tuna salad is perfect for if you don't want to cook, you just want to throw something together, if you got home late, need something to feed the kids, or if you need something to eat for lunch the next couple of days. You can make this, put it in your refrigerator, and take it to work with you the next day. So it's a real convenient meal, quick and easy recipe. So let's get to it, y'all. Tuna salad. Okay, you all, so this is all what you would need to make your tuna salad. Let's go over each item. Of course, you would need you some tuna. You can get any brand tuna you want. You can get the Always Save, the Best Choice, or this brand, whatever brand of your liking. Make sure you get the tuna in water. Don't get the tuna that's in oil. Well, you can get the tuna that's in oil, but I've never purchased it, and I've never tried to make tuna salad with it. So you can get, if that's what you like, you can use it. Me, I always get the tuna in water. Okay, next we have our sweet relish. We also have our mayo. Now, you can use Miracle Whip if you would like, for a more sweeter, tangier tuna salad. You can use Miracle Whip, but I like to use mayo with mine. We also got some crackers. We have our onions. We also have our sugar, just a dash of sugar. I like to put a dash. This is optional. You do not have to put sugar in yours at all. Me, I just like mine to just have a hint of sweetness. So yeah, I just put a dash of sugar in there. And then you would need bread. If you're going to make sandwiches with it, you would need some bread. If you don't, you're trying to lay back on the carbs and not eat as much bread, you can also make it with the crackers. You can also just eat it by itself. You can totally eat it by itself. You can also get like some lettuce, and you can also wrap it up in lettuce and have like little lettuce wraps. So you can do a lot with tuna salad. So let's get started. So I got my bowl here, just a regular standard bowl. We're going to start with the tuna. What you would need to do is drain the water from the tuna. So just go to your sink and just drain the water. Alright. So once you have drained your water, you want to just pour your tuna. And see, this one, y'all, this can right here is actually a big can. If you can tell the difference. This is actually a big can. So this is supposed to be, I guess, equivalent to like 3 cans of tuna. I grabbed the little one too, just in case. I didn't know if this big one was going to be enough. So I'd rather have enough than not enough. Rather be safe than sorry. Alright, y'all. So I got my tuna in there. Yeah, I think that'll do us. Next, what I'm going to do is add the onions. I'm not going to use all these onions. I chopped up a lot. Add us some onion in there. Next, I'm going to add the sweet relish. I'm going to do about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of relish. My dash of sugar. See, just quick little dashes. Oh, and last but not least, y'all, I'm so sorry. I left out the eggs. You will need boiled eggs. These are 2 boiled eggs that I boiled previously. I chopped them up and I added a little salt and pepper to them just for a little taste. I've already chopped those up. Again, these are 2 boiled eggs. You want to go ahead and add that to the mix. Alright, so we got our mayo. And I'm going to do about 3 big, maybe 4 big spoons. Just like that. Alright, so I think we have everything. Now what you want to do is just mix it. You just want to mix it up. Just like so. So once you get it all mixed up, you just want to take a quick little taste to taste it. It tastes delicious, but I like mine a little sweeter, like I said. So we're going to add a little, I'm going to add the rest of my little sugar. That was less than a tablespoon of sugar, y'all. Put a little bit more sugar in there, and then I'm going to also add some more relish, again, because it's sweet relish. So it sweetens it up for you. It's to your discretion. So once you mix it all up and you take a taste and you like it, then leave it alone. If you taste it and you're like, it's missing something, it needs something else, maybe a dash of sugar or a little bit more relish, just to bring in those flavors for you. So I just added my sugar. Added about a half a tablespoon of sugar. A half a teaspoon, teaspoon. So just a very little bit of sugar, y'all. Very, very little. Add a little bit more relish to it. Now what I'm going to do now is take another taste. And it's perfect. And I'm done. That's how you make tuna salad. You got a whole bowl. I'm feeding a family of 5, and this is plenty. Got your eggs in there. You got your relish. You got your onions. Got your tuna and your mayo. A dash of sugar. Tuna salad. And what I think I'm going to do is open up a pack of these crackers and go ahead and give it a shot. Give it a taste. And there y'all have it, y'all. Y'all can make your own tuna salad. You don't need your mama to make your tuna salad. I know a lot of people have their mamas make it, their grandma make their tuna salad. It's really easy, y'all. Again, all you need is your tuna, your Miracle Whip, onions. The onions are optional. If you don't like onions, do not put onions in it. But your tuna, your onions, mayo, and sweet relish, and a dash of sugar. That's all you need, and you got you some good tuna salad for you to whatever you want to do. Feed the kids. If you're fixing it for yourself for lunch, you can feed it for the kids, for their lunches. It's completely up to you. I'm just going to dip my cracker in there. Y'all see that? Yummy. Tuna salad. Very delicious. And that's it. I had to chew up my food, y'all. But that's it, y'all. That's how you make tuna salad. This tuna salad is so delicious, so yummy, so quick, so easy. You will love it. Your kids gonna love it. I know we love it. My kids love it. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for coming to CHELL'S Kitchen. I will be back at you with another great video. Please stay tuned. Again, if there's anything you would like to see me cook or make or speak on, please comment below and I'll be more than happy to do so. Again, thank you for watching and have a wonderful night.